You're having a puppy right now. She's having another one right now. I was hoping for I was hoping for no more than 5. Now that will be number 7.
She was huge.
Yeah, she was really big. Some of the shavings are wet. I wonder if I should kind of maybe take them out. Can you maybe get me like a plastic bag and I'll take some of the wet ones out? And yep, she just had another one right now. Just came out of the sack. She's eating it. Yep. Well, no, she's chewing the sack off of it. Wow. Can that be your last one, Mama? That's enough puppies. That's enough puppies. That'll be number 7. Amber, I'm going to pull out some of these wet shavings and no, actually there's a lot of heat coming from this doghouse right now. Like I feel it's very warm in there. I can actually feel heat coming out of it.